Hey everybody, J.R. Fisher here. I want to make sure you can hear me. So I hope you can. So if you're watching right now, just put in that comment section if you can hear me. Making sure I got this thing right. Lighting's still not right. I keep messing with this lighting and I can't get it bright enough, but I'm working on that. Okay, so I'm not a cinematographer. I'm an e-commerce guy, okay? I sell stuff online, so I'm working on that. Anyhow, I'll work on that and get that better. So what I want to talk to you about today is actually, you're gonna think this is crazy, but you can actually do less work and make more sales. For years, we have been doing this wrong, and I've seen a shift in this. I've tried it myself, and it works a lot better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the old way that we used to sell stuff online. I'm gonna kind of talk about a new way to do it. And you're going to have one of these aha moments and you're going to go, oh my God, why didn't I think of that? And it's because you don't. And it's because what we do is we do what everybody else is doing because everybody else is doing it. So it's got to be right. But that's not always the case, and you're going to find that out in just 1 second. So what I want to do is I want to walk you through the steps of how we're making money now. Let me get that thing adjusted. Okay, so what we do now is we run, let's say, a Facebook ad. And I do Facebook ads. I don't do YouTube ads, Twitter, any of that. Not that they aren't good. I mean, they could be great, just not my thing. Okay, so I do Facebook ads. And what most people do is they want to get a name. And the idea of getting a name is to get somebody on a list and to sell them something. And I mean, that's right in itself, but there's a better way of doing it. So this is what we've been doing. We'll run a Facebook ad and it's going to go to some download or PDF or something like that. And then they're going to opt in. And when they opt in, boom, we got their email. Now we're excited. We go, oh my God, I got an email. I got somebody added to my list. I'm so pumped. This is so awesome. And then what do? We wait a day or two or hours or whatever it is. We wait some period of time and we send them an email with some content. Now, why do we do that? We send them an email with the content because we want to build up this relationship, and we want them to love us and think that we're smart and that all of our stuff is cool. And we wait and we send them this cool piece of content here. And then guess what else we do? The next thing we do is we send them another piece of content. Now, we may wait a day or a week or whatever it is, but we're going to wait some period of time and we're going to send them another piece of content. Now, after we've sent them these two pieces of content, this one and this one here, what we do is we send them what we call an offer. Okay, so this is something that we want to sell them, that we want to make some money on, right? We want to get a customer out of this. And it works. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but the problem with it is it doesn't work as well as it could if we did less work. What do I mean, less work? Well, here's my new suggestion for you. And you can try this out, make sure it works in your niche, but I'll bet you'll find that it does work out because I've been doing it with a book, but you can do it with videos, you can do it with whatever you want. First thing we do is we get rid of step one where they opt in. We just get rid of it. No more opting in, okay? You say, well, JR, I gotta get their email because I gotta send them content. That's so important. I mean, my content's so awesome. I want them to see it. If that were true, why don't you just let them see it? Why not just let them see your content? So instead of sending them to this opt-in page where they're going to download and opt in, here's what we do is we send them from a Facebook ad to content. Okay, so immediately we hit them with content. And you say, well, JR, I won't have their email. Yes, you will, because we're going to put a pop-up right here for email and name. And it's going to say, enter your name and email to instantly watch, right, how to pick up elephants with one hand. Okay, whatever it is that you want to show them, just say, put in your name and email right now to get this content, because this is essentially what you're doing up here, right? You're saying, put in your email and download these 10 steps, and then I'm going to give you my cool content. But I'm going to hold off on this cool content until it's been a couple days and you've forgotten about me and your excitement has worn down. See, it doesn't make sense, right? So what we want to do is this cool piece of content is right here. And this content could be a video, it could be training, it could be a book, it could be whatever you want. But let's go ahead and give it to them right up front. Why not? I mean, if this stuff is so good, why do we wait days to give it to them? Why do we wait hours? They're hot right now. They like us right now. Give them the content right up front. Now, here's another step that I bet you're not doing. As you give them this content, also give them an offer. Okay? So if your content's so cool and your offer's so great, why do you make them wait till way down here to get that offer? They don't have to, right? If they watch your content and they like it right now, why wait and send them another email later on down here with more content and make them wait again before they get your offer? And on top of that, this offer is not sandwiched in content, right? Your content's the cool stuff that you have. Your content's the thing that you want to show them that you know what you're talking about, that you know how to train on a particular area, you know how to let them lose weight or whatever it is. So immediately what we're going to do now, and by the way, I'm going to demonstrate this in a second, is you're going to give them content and you're going to give them an offer. They can go ahead and buy your thing right now. And here's the funny thing, a portion of the people will buy right up front. I know this. Why do I know this? Because I'm running a book funnel right now. And the book funnel basically tells them all the cool stuff I got, and it says, hey, boom, here's a book, you can get it right now. And if you want that book, here, watch what I'm doing here. You can get that book right now. I put it in the comments section. And if you want to get my book on how to find profitable products to sell online, go to www.jrfisherbook.com and you can get it right now. See how I did that? You're watching this content and I made you an offer. That simple, okay? So you can do that. And by the way, do me a favor, if you're watching this video and you can type, which I can't type very well, but I can still pull this off. Type in that comment section, www.jrfisherbook.com, www.jrfisherbook.com. If you would do, thank you so much, Jessica. She just said that. I really appreciate that. And Fisher has no C in it, okay? So if you put a C in it, you're not going to get it. You're not going to get it. You don't want that to happen. So what do we do here? We did a Facebook ad. We ran it directly to content. We asked them to pop up, I can't talk. We asked them to put their email and name into a pop-up, and that way they could instantly watch your content. So you can have like a screenshot of your content behind it, and that little pop-up says enter your email and name to instantly watch, okay? You'll get more people if you do this, folks. You're gonna get more people to buy also because you're gonna make an offer. Then what you do is you have them on your list. Now, okay, this is step one now because we've erased this step. Step two now is more awesome content, right? So now we can email them and we're going to send them another video or some more training, and it's going to be more awesome content plus what else? An offer, right? So now they've got an offer once, they've got an offer twice. Here's the funny thing, guys. If you ask somebody to sell, or if you ask somebody to buy from you more than once, you have a greater chance of them buying. As a matter of fact, most customers will tell you they had to be asked 3 times before they ever bought from somebody. 3 times. So if you're not trying to close them 3 times, you're missing out on the majority of the sales right off the bat. But I started right here with this first piece of content, second piece of content, an offer, and then guess what else I do? I do a third piece of content. So we got more. Boy, that doesn't look like an M. There we go. More awesome content plus what? I bet you're picking this up already. An offer, right? Now, there's a couple things you can do here. You can make the same offer 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You could make 3 different offers because sometimes somebody doesn't buy what you have because it's not the right offer, okay? So maybe they didn't want a course on Facebook ads, they wanted a course on building web pages, okay? So if you've got a few different offers, you can stick different offers in here, but never give them, and I didn't do this years ago, never give them content without an offer. Once again, if you want to get my book, see how I did that just now? Go to www.jrfisherbook.com and you'll learn how to find products to sell online. Hey, it's 40 pages, it's simple. You can read it in a couple hours, or you can also opt for the audio version. And if you do that, you can listen to it in your car, your phone, whatever you want, okay? So I just did it. I just did that right there. You heard me do it. It's $5.60. Why wouldn't you grab that? Okay? And then here's what you want to do. You want to run a little campaign, and it's got to be an expiration campaign, okay? So we want it to expire now. Now we want to do a countdown. You know, you got 2 days left, you got 3 days left, whatever it is, and do that countdown. And of course, this here is your offer that you're talking about once again. So once again, from the get-go, don't have people opt in and then send them an email with your offer. Right up front, give them your cool content, have a pop-up for them to opt in to watch this stuff and get your content right up front and make them an offer. Then you can send them another email. And then that email, more awesome content plus an offer. And then the third one, more awesome content plus an offer, okay? And you could actually carry this out for as long as you want, but then you want to do an offer with an expiration. Now, the expiration on the offer is super, super important because if you don't have an expiration, there's no urgency, okay? You've got to have that urgency that this is going to run out after a certain number of days. And make sure that that sales page does expire. In other words, if it's a 72-hour sale, at 72 hours when they go there, it should say offer has expired. And there's a way of setting that up. And if you want more information on that, feel free to comment. And I'll tell you how to do that. You can set it up so that every individual person has different expirations, okay? You can do that. So makes sense, right? Kind of cool, right? Saves you a step, saves you all this work right here. You were working yourself to death, don't need to do it anymore. Just send them to your cool content, make them an offer like this. Go to www.jrfisherbook.com, grab my book. You'll learn how to find some really super cool, profitable products to sell online. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear your comments, and you can do so whether you're watching this live or not at any point when you're watching this video, okay? It's a week, it's a month, it's whatever. Put your comment in there, and what they're going to do is they'll notify me, and then I will reply to your comments. So if you've got questions about this process, you want more information, just ask me. I'll give it to you. Hey, you want to be extra cool? Share this video on your timeline. Share it with your friends, share it with your family. Let them know that you're a cool person, because you will be if you share this, because they're going to learn something. And they're going to learn it for free. That's pretty cool stuff. Guys, I really appreciate you watching this. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And I'm going to talk to you real soon.